All right, let me explain to you how to do each of the different applications from yesterday's packet. That way you can go through, figure it out, learn it, live it, love it. Let's start off with the formula writing stuff. Formula writing is all about the crisscross method. We start by writing down the symbols of the elements. Then we look the elements up on our periodic table and we find their oxidation numbers. The oxidation numbers are the numbers that go across the top of the table. So we have beryllium, Be. We find beryllium on our periodic table. We go all the way to the top of its group. It has a +2 oxidation number or a +2 charge. We find fluorine all the way over here on this side of the table. We go to the top. We see it has a -1 charge. Now, we're not going to let these charges make their way to the final formula. We just need them so we can make sure we have a positive and a negative. And we can remember which one's positive, the Be, because that's what's going to go first in our formula. At this point, we'll drop the signs and swap the numbers. When we write our final formula, remember whatever one was positive has to go first, so it's the Be. Also remember not to write down the number 1. You can write anything else down but 1. And then we'll put in our F2. Again, positive and negative, you have to have it. Positive one has to go to first. Swap the numbers. Write down the positive one first. Don't write down the number 1. You can't write down anything else. Remember, if you have a +2 and a -2, those are going to reduce to 1s. They cancel out, so there would be no subscript. If you had a +3 and a -3, those would cancel out or reduce to 1s, and there is no subscript.